We'll continue with exercise 9.4. This is exercise 9.4, and we'll finish the rest sum of question number 3. Last time we did sum number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today we'll do the rest of the sum, that is sum number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so let's start with question number 5. Now again we see that we have to multiply the binomial term, and finally the two products has to be added. Now let's begin with this one, that is x with this. So x 2x plus y into this one 2x plus y. Okay, now the same thing we have to do with this, x with this, x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. Okay, now you have to multiply it. So x into 2x square plus x into y, xy. Now y into 2xy plus y into y, y square. Now this x into x square plus minus x into y, xy, 2y into x 2xy plus minus 2y square. So finally we have done the multiplication. Now we bring all the like terms together, that is x square with x square, xy with xy. Now x square, is there any x square? Yes, here is x square, so we'll bring them together. So 2x square plus x square. Okay, now we'll bring all the xy together. This is xy, is there any other xy? Yes, xy and xy, bring them together, students. So xy plus 2xy minus xy plus 2xy, so all the xy's are together. Now what is the next term? Y square, isn't it? So is there any y square? Yes, there is. So y square minus 2y square. So all the like terms are now together. Now we have to solve it. 2x square plus x square is 3x square. xy plus 2xy is what? 3xy minus xy plus 2xy. Now we'll solve this. Plus minus is minus, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 is greater, so we'll put only y square. Now we have to solve this. So 3x square, so 3xy minus xy is 2xy, 2xy plus 2xy is 4xy. Sorry, this would be minus. Yes, now this is the solution of sum number 5. Very easy, students. Let's move on to sum number 6. Yes, this is question number 6. Now what we see is here is we have to do the product between binomial and trinomial. Binomial with trinomial, there are three terms are there. Okay, the process is quite simple. We have to multiply this x with this trinomial and plus y with this trinomial. Okay, how to write it down? X into this whole thing we have to write, x square minus xy plus y square, and with this plus y also we have to multiply this trinomial, that is x square minus xy plus y square. Very easy conceptions, same thing. Okay, now this x has to multiply with all the terms inside the bracket, that is this with this with this, and x with y square also. Okay, so x into x square is what? X cube. Plus minus is what? Minus x into xy. How many x are there? 2. So this is the product of x into xy. Plus is what? Plus. So x into y square would be xy square. So simple. Okay, the same thing we'll do it here. Y into x square is what? Yx square. Plus minus is what? Minus y into xy. 2y are there, so you will write this one. And plus is plus y into y square is how many y? Y3. Now you have to see that any like terms are there or not. Okay, so x cube, no x cube is there. X square y, yes, these two are x square y, so we have to bring them together. So x cube minus x square y, this is also plus x square y. Now is there any xy square? Yes, so we'll do xy square minus xy square, this is xy square plus y cube. So these two are like terms and these two are like terms. So x cube minus plus minus, so x square y minus x square y is 0, so we'll cancel it out. Plus minus is again minus, xy square minus x square square, what is 1 minus 1 is what, 0, so we'll again cancel this out. So your final answer is x cube plus y cube. Okay, let's move on to sum number 7. Now this is sum number 7. Now binomial into trinomial, and then we have to do the solution. So first we'll concentrate on the multiplication part, that is binomial into trinomial. So very easy, this monomial term has to multiply this trinomial. With minus 4y also we have to multiply this whole trinomial. So how to write it down? 1.5x into this whole trinomial, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and with this minus y also you have to multiply this whole part, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and this part will remain intact. Okay, no change, sorry, this would be 12y. Now we just have to multiply it. So 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. You will just check it out, okay? And x into x is x square. Plus plus is plus. 1.5 into 4 is 6. xy 6.0. So 6.0 is 6 only. Okay. And plus plus is again plus. So 1.5 into 3 is 4.5. 4.5, and there is one x is also there. Okay. Be careful with the multiplication. Minus. Now 4 into 1.5 is again 6. 6xy. Minus plus is minus. 4 into 4 is 16. How many y are there? 2. So we will write y square. Minus plus is again minus. 4 3s are 12. Is there any variable? No, only single one. That is, we will put y. Now we will put 1.5x plus 12y. Now we will bring all the like terms together. That is x square with x square. So there is no x square is there in the expression, you see. No x square. So we will write it down. 2.25 x square. Now we will check whether there is any xy or not. xy, xy, only 2xy. So we will bring them together. xy minus 6xy. Is there any x is there? Yes. See, 4.5. So 4.5x here is minus 4.5x. We have already written xy. Now we'll see whether there is any y square or not. No, there is no y square is there. So we'll write just y square. Okay. Now we'll see, is there any y terms are there? Yes. So we'll bring them together. Plus 12y. Okay. Now we'll do the solution, as because we don't have any variable like term with x compared to x square. Now we'll solve this. Plus minus is minus. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we'll cancel this out. Plus minus is minus. So 4.5 minus 4.5 is 0. So again we'll cancel this out. So minus 16y square. We don't have any like term similar to y square. So we'll write it. We have written this. And minus plus is what? Minus. So 12 minus 12 is 0. Again 0 is coming. So we'll cancel this out. So this is your final answer, student. 2.25 x square minus 16y square. Okay. These are very, very easy. Now let's move on to the last sum of this exercise 9.4. Yes, this is sum number 8. Now in this sum we see that we have to multiply trinomial into trinomial. Okay, now how exactly it has to be done? Very simple. With a you have to again multiply this trinomial. With plus b also you have to again multiply this trinomial. With plus c also we have to again multiply this trinomial. Okay, very, very easy. Just you have to keep the conception right. See, with a I have multiplied this whole one. Then again what is there? Plus b. So write it down, plus b. Again with plus b also you have to do the same thing. You have to multiply this required trinomial. And with plus c also you have to do the same thing. That is a plus b minus. So this is how you will write it down. Okay, same thing we are doing. Previously we were doing with binomial, now we are doing with trinomial. Okay, now a into a square, plus plus is plus a into b is what? ab. Plus minus is minus a into c is what? AC. See, so simple. Now again you will do the same thing with B also. B into A, AB plus 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 B into B, B square plus minus minus B into C, BC. See, so simple. Again C into A, CA plus 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 C into B, BC plus minus minus C square, C into C, C square. Now you will see any like terms is there as usual. Yes, AB with AB. Any AB is there? No. So we will write A square plus AB plus AB. Is there any AC is there? Yes. These two are AC. See, AC. So minus AC plus AC. Now B square, we don't have any like term with B square, so we'll write B square. Okay. Now we'll see BC is there or not. Exactly, we are carrying BC. See, this is BC. So minus BC plus BC. So everything is down. Now only minus C square is left out. This is the thing. Okay. So A square, AB plus AB is 2AB. AC minus AC minus plus minus AC minus AC is what? 0. So we'll cancel this out. We'll write this B square minus BC plus BC. That means there's similar term. So answer will come 0. So minus BC minus BC is what? 0. Means 1 minus 1 is 0. So again we'll cancel this out and we'll write C square. So we'll just arrange it and write it down. A square plus B square minus C square plus 2A. So this is your final answer. Okay, very easy. So today's assignment is sum number 5, 6, 7 and 8 of question number 3. Thank you and take care.